we are going. We're having breakfast. So our breakfast is Jamaican patty. That's our breakfast. And I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this in the oven. This is our breakfast for today. So first I'm gonna put that in the oven. So let me put this here. So guys, don't mind our background. So we're having breakfast in our balcony. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like, guys. So our breakfast is kind of late. It's 1 o'clock. It's going to 1 o'clock. So let me get the Jamaican pie with spice guys. So let's read. Let's go today. It's Monday. So yes, face-to-face class 3 days. 3 days a week. Like from Monday to Wednesday, we have face-to-face, and Thursday to Friday we have online class. So this one, we make yoga drink. Yoga drink. That's why we have that outside. So just make yoga drink. So how's everyone doing, guys? Let me put this in. Okay, this is our breakfast. It's Jamaican pie, beef flavor, beef patties. We bought this from Robinson Mall. Not bad, guys, for the price also. It's 72 pesos. If I'm right, I guess 72 pesos only each. Yeah, I need to make it half so that it will cook properly. They have spicy on this one. They have also tuna, tuna pie and with mushroom. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. And that's our view. It's a beautiful view. That's the Manila Bay right there. And that's gonna be a man-made resorts, ongoing construction. So right now it's not that traffic today. That's the hospital right there. Yeah. When Welljeet came, we're gonna go to Mall of Asia. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. So I'm gonna have this coffee co brown. That's my coffee. And we have also samosa. We have 2 pieces samosa right here. We bought that from Indian store. It's just like 10 to 15 minutes from our place, the Indian store.
Ready now?
Again. I really take this.
Oh, you did? When?
With having coffee.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna have tea. So how is gonna have tea?
Yeah.
We bought this from London.
Yeah, the tea bags.
Yeah, because you can't find this kind of tea here, right?
Squeegee tips. Strong. I like it, the flavor. Cannot find them over here in the grocery store. So when I go there, I just buy quite a lot.
Yeah, it's like
About like 600-700
pieces.
pieces of the tea bag.
Wow.
Lasts me
It's
like
like
2
it's gonna
years.
last you like how many months?
2 years maybe.
2 years?
Yeah, if I use one a day, that's 300 and something a year. But I don't
Wow.
use it every day because then I switch it to something
it's
else.
quite a lot, right?
Yeah.
And it's not. It is cheap also.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Because over here the tea that we have, the one that you can buy from Indian store,
Yeah.
it's like it's in the box. It's not in the pouch.
No, that's different.
That's the one you need to make it
That's
chai
loose. That's loose tea. This is a tea bag.
The tea bag that we have here, the one that what
They
is it?
sell in Robinson. They sell some other brands,
Oh.
but I like this brand more, and it's much cheaper.
Winnings. I think that's the winning.
Twinings.
Oh yeah, that's the one that
Winnings.
we have. Yeah, it's expensive and it's not that strong.
No, that's what I'm saying. They sell over here, but they're expensive, and they only come like 25 tea bags in the box. This is like
Yeah.
300 bags, 300 tea bags or more.
Wow. So yeah, so every time Harry going to London, he always buy this a lot tea for him. Me, sometimes only I like to drink tea, guys, but most of the time I like coffee. It's like I like brown coffee and mostly caramel macchiato, brown coffee. Sometimes I drink tea, but the one that loose tea, the one that I make chai tea. That's the one that I always drink. But sometimes,
On that. Oh, you didn't put them same time? Should have. It's not melted? No? It's not melted?
not yet.
Oh, yeah. You didn't put it same time? Oh, so that is.
So this one Jamaican pie, it's 72 pesos each.
It's I'm not sure, 79 maybe each. Used to be a little cheaper, but everything has gone up.
Yeah, it was 60 each in something before, guys. Actually, this is much cheaper, guys. If you compare, if let's say if you want to compare like some of the burgers, like fast food,
Yeah, it's not bad for the
it's
price.
not bad for
It's
the
quite
price for
filling.
breakfast.
It's quite filling.
Because look at the quantity of this one. It's a lot. For me, it's enough for breakfast. It's enough. One piece is Jamaican pie. It's enough for me. Unless I'm really hungry, guys. If I'm really hungry, so this Jamaican pie is not gonna be enough for me. I rather eat
Because most of we
rice.
got another pie also.
No, no.
Together.
What I'm trying to say,
We'll buy more
if
today.
I'm hungry, then some of this is not gonna
Yeah.
work for me. I need the rice. It's like rice is make me satisfied when I'm hungry. But if I'm not that hungry, so like sandwich, bread, or this kind of food, it's satisfied me. But if when I'm really hungry, so I need the stronger one. I need a lot. Like I need rice. Okay, so it's very good. You
Just
want
put,
me to see it?
yeah, you can put it, but just put one at a time. I mean, this here, so that it can still cook, bake.
Okay, it's probably ready now.
Put one at a time, but in case you're not sure. Let me see.
Bye.
Let me see the inside. Yeah, I think so. It seems to be something melted. You can put this more. Well, remind me when you go to buy more.
This one.
Yeah,
From them.
you should have stock.
This samosa, how much will you buy this one?
I can't remember. Maybe 30 pesos now, but I can't remember how much. I didn't ask for the price.
Yeah guys, so this is samosa guys. It's also good for breakfast or snack. So the one that you can buy frozen or half cooked or it's already cooked. But this one it's we bought this half cooked like you can
Half fried.
yeah, half right.
You bought what, 15 pieces?
It has potato inside and what else? Most of the
Tomato,
time with
peas.
this,
Yeah, tomato, pea,
yeah, something like that.
masala.
So this is good for people who are vegetarian.
Yeah. It's a vegetarian snack.
And supply is not nice.
And then give me like chutney or something from there for the samosas. Give me the red one.
This one?
No, the red, the same red.
20.
Huh?
Wala.
Yeah. Here, that's the red one.
Ada, it's not chutney.
Okay, you're right. Oi, beautiful weather, my God.
Yeah. Welcome to Philippines. So that's our breakfast. off that. So our water dispensers right outside. If we want coffee right here, we have one split outside for drinks. So it's very convenient for us right now. Thank you guys for the live. Welcome everyone to my live, guys. The other one is so good.
Yeah, what do you want?
So how do you like this one? It's muggy. It's
Sweet and hot. What do you say? Sweet and
tomato cherry sauce. It's hot and sweet.
hot and sweet. Familiar, I like that. Okay.
But me, I'm not into it. I'm not into any ketchup. Tomato sauce. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat Jamaican pie. It's full of stuff, guys. So it's really has beef. When
Need more ham, right?
when I'm going to eat, I like my teeth.
Another half, right, or no?
I still have that.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't eat this, so I know how much you ate. Still a small like big one. Yeah, that. That's beautiful weather.
Ayan mo ha. Spicy this one.
Spicy?
Yeah.
It is spicy. It is meant to be. Oh, you know what? I need this one. Yeah. Take out the red pepper. Some you can see. This is red pepper.
So tasty.
If the samosa is almost done, take this off.
Yeah. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. So we are having breakfast. Saudi crab. What means Saudi crab?
Diba?
Saudi crab.
A Saudi crab. I don't know which one. We're not eating any Saudi product, so I don't know what they mean.
Yeah.
And even if it was, doesn't mean it's crab.
Yeah.
Just because you don't like doesn't mean it's crab.
Not Tailul.
Huh?
What do you mean not Tailul?
Huh?
I'm not Thai.
Hi?
Yeah.
No, of course you're not Thai.
It's fine.
No, it's okay now. You're asking me, they say you're not Thai. I said, of course. Not Thai. Oh, that come. This is not spicy, so you can eat.
Yeah. It's
Very
not.
hot, so be careful.
Let's eat, guys. We're having breakfast. What's soup? So good.
Yeah. Yeah, it says Swadika. So you can say the same thing, Swadika.
Ah, okay. So it's
He's saying
like
hello.
it's like hello.
Yeah, in
Ah.
Thai.
The way I understand it's like Saudi crab.
Ah,
Sorry, we understand wrong.
not be you.
Oh, yeah, I understand wrong.
It says Swadika.
Where are you? We are in the Philippines,
Yeah.
Manila, Philippines.
Right by Manila Bay, famous bay.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Swadika, Swadika, Swadika. So it's. I guess you are Thai. T is T.
I'm gonna need more. A little more. It's okay. Okay, that's it.
No, I'm house. I'm Filipina. So you thought I'm Thai.
You guys look alike, you know that.
Yeah, because we are Asian.
You look like, I told you, if you go to Thailand, you're going to try to speak with you in Thai.
Oh,
But you
yeah.
guys look alike. To us. To us foreigners. No, even for them.
Huh?
Even for the Thai. They made a mistake, they're going to start talking to you in Thai.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I had this experience, so I know. You have to tell them, no, not Thai. You have cookies if you want.
Yeah, Thai and Filipino look similar. Yeah, it is. Maybe because of our eyes.
Yeah, the eyes, your nose. not just hurry.
There's a lot in it.
Huh?
Can have more. Thai and Filipino girls are hot. Yes, it is hot.
Huh?
It is hot. Thai and Filipino girls is hot.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
I never been to Thailand yet, but we are planning. We are planning to Thailand by the next year.
Yeah.
By the next year.
Yeah, let's see. We're working on his nose also, so we have to take him to the hospital again. When is that, November?
Yeah.
Let's see what you say after that.
You are hot. Thank you, TG. TSG. That's it, guys. So our breakfast is kind of late. We always eat breakfast late. We are having Jamaican fry and samosa.
International cuisine.
Yeah, yes.
International.
Yeah,
Indian and Jamaican.
yeah.
In Philippines.
It is.
Right by the Manila Bay. And finish it now.
Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the like.
It smells like it out.
Yeah.
That's good.
So, I like this.
Yeah. You know, we have rice. Actually, kitchen time. So we have covered. That's beautiful weather. Can't believe.
Guys, if you have any question, guys, you can comment below. So we are living here in Manila more than 8 years. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, more than 8 years here in Manila. Harris like to live here in Manila. He doesn't like to live in the province.
Yeah.
He doesn't like to live in the province, guys, because you know, in the
Well-
province, most of Filipino like to sing, like to dance, like to drink.
No, there's a lot of problems over there. No food choices.
Oh
No
yeah,
good
that's the
hospitals.
best. That's the big problem.
Yeah,
That's
there's
the
so many
biggest
things.
problem.
No good hospitals if you need to, you know.
There's a like private hospital, but
Yeah, but they
It's
always
kind of
talk.
far.
Yeah, they always talk about big hospitals are in. I mean, good hospitals are in big cities
yes,
like Cebu, Manila, Iloilo. So when you talk about province, I don't consider them to be province. I consider province to be like real province where they have coconut trees and people have nothing to do all day, just drink and sing. I'm not a drinking guy. I don't drink too much. I cannot. And I
the
don't
only
sing.
good things in the province is some of the food there is cheap and you can get it free
No, it's nice in the province. You get
and
probably
fish.
fresh air and stuff like that, but that's about
It's
it.
not crowded.
That's about it. Nothing else.
But the food, yeah, that's the problem. The
Oh
food.
yeah, for me it's a big problem. Food.
Yeah, that's for you. The problem is the food.
Yeah.
For me, that's my life.
We like
Eat
international
everything.
cuisine. We like different kind of food.
Huh?
Which I say we like different kinds of food, which you're not gonna find in the province.
Yeah, it's hard.
You're not gonna find. Oh, there's only pork and fish. Pork and fish. Pork and fish.
Like I can eat fish every day
Um,
and 3 times a day
I cannot. It's same.
and 30 times a month. Like every day. We have no problem like eating fish every day because we used to it. That's our food actually.
No, I
But
would, I
for
would say
foreigner,
maybe,
it's difficult
no, I
to.
would say maybe because you had no choice. Now you have so much choice, so you're not going to eat the same food every day.
It's still gonna eat.
Yeah?
Yeah, as long as it's not fried. Like different cook. Yeah. After drinking coffee, you feel ready. Thank you for the thumbs up. I got another thumbs up. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys. I'm gonna try to do live every day actually guys because right now I'm stopped working. Then yeah, I'm gonna try to do live every day. And this coming 15, we are going to Bohol. It's our second time to go to Bohol, guys. Actually, the first time that we went there, it was it has a typhoon that time, and everything is a mess. All the falls, there's no electric at that time, there's no water, and a lot of people also died that time when we went there in Bohol. It was 3 years ago, I think. So we didn't really enjoy that time because some of the resorts also are closed and the rain, the road are closed, and that time the chocolate hills is closed. So this time we probably can enjoy it. Hopefully. So when budget came, we gonna go to Mall of Asia. So my son starts school 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock from 11 o'clock to 3 p.m. I'm gonna wash the dish. Okay, I'm gonna fill with it. Okay. So while I'm washing the dish, huh?
भारत श्रीलंका हुई आमने सामने प्रेमदासा स्टेडियम कोलंबो ये दूसरा एक दिवसीय मुकाबला टॉस जीता था श्रीलंका के कप्तान ने पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया है दोनों टीमों के बारे में भी बातचीत होगी भारतीय टीम तो वही है लेकिन श्रीलंका की टीम में 2 बदलाव हुए हैं निहायत ही खूबसूरत नजारे हैं कोलंबो जहां पे मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है मोहम्मद सिराज की खुद वो ईमानदार और कुछ दूसरों की मेहरबानी है। जी हाँ, पहली गेम इस मुकाबले की।
Hello to all three viewers watching out there. How are you guys? And welcome to my live. Thanks so much for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much.
क्या बात है, लहरा रही है गेंद। और उसके साथ 2 रन श्रीलंका के खाते में। और थोड़ी सी विड्थ दी थी और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया। बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर गई है गेंद। उन 10 ओवरों में श्रीलंकाई बल्लेबाजों ने जोड़े 50 ओवर के खेल में 241 रन बनाने हैं। अगर ये
Okay, I'm done.
क्या कमाल का थ्रो है भाई, मजा आया थ्रो देख के। वहां तक खिलाड़ी पहुंचा तो नहीं, लेकिन फिर उनको पिछले मैच के मुकाबले अगर आप देखें तो 10 रन बने थे, 240 रन बने हैं और 41वें से 50वें ओवर का समय है। 10 ओवर थे, उसमें 3 विकेट खोई जरूर श्रीलंका ने, लेकिन बड़े उन 10 ओवरों में श्रीलंका के बल्लेबाजों ने जोड़े 50 ओवर के खेल में 241 रन बनाने। अगर ये मुकाबला जीतना है भारत को, स्ट्रॉन्ग किया है ये मिली है फिर और छूट गया जहां रोहित शर्मा ने किया छड़ा बनाया। इस बार छड़ा बनाया शॉट।
Hello, Tucker Coach. Hello from UC. Hi, welcome to my live, Tucker Coach.
अच्छा शॉट है ऋषभ पंत का।
So right now if you are in UC, it's probably right now it's 1:40 p.m. in your country, right?
लाजवाब शॉट सामने की तरफ गेंद थी, तीनों गेंद के सर के ऊपर से चढ़ गया। और ये कोई शॉट ये डालेंगे कटी के वीडियो, परिणाम ऐसा होता है। ये शॉट का रॉकेट, ये जस्ट शॉट गेंद थी और इस बार मिलने की नहीं, लॉन्ग के ऊपर से 6 जाना है। ओ ये करीबी मामला हो सकता था, रन जरूर मिलेंगे 4 और अब चौथी बड़ा था ये स्ट्रोक। इसी नीचे को और दमदार हुआ छक्का 6 रन। 82 मीटर के 6 के साथ एक और रन शतक किया आपने। इस बार नहीं बदला, और इस बार रिजल्ट बदला, 6 रन मिलेंगे। इनको कुछ समझा देखिए, इन्होंने भी तो लगाया और बढ़िया कमाल का कैच, रिवर्स स्विंग लगाने का प्रयास था।
Thank you for the thumbs up, guys.
देखिए इन्होंने भी तो लगाया और बढ़िया श्रीलंका के पास और आज के प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच है वेंकटेश्वर 32 रनों से ये मुकाबला श्रीलंका ने जीत लिया। ये रही इस मैच की कहानी। टॉस जीत के पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए श्रीलंका ने 240 रन बनाए थे और इसी के जवाब में भारत 208 ही रन बना पाए। ये मैच श्रीलंका ने 32 रनों से जीत के 1-0 की बढ़त अब हासिल कर ली है।
Welcome. Let's judge that.
A couple seconds later, comes through barely. He's having time to get these people here. But Booster, he takes the police car, puts him in the back, closes the door, hospital beside his bed, and he ends up in the hospital. He's in the hospital and passes out again. He's at his unconscious, and all of a sudden he finally wakes up. And he's got these people around him that doesn't recognize. And they're going, "Oh, Michael, you're okay. You're okay." He goes, "My name's Robert. He doesn't recognize him." And one of this guy comes forward in his 40s, and he says, "Well, you got hit really hard. You got hit really hard." He's like, "God."
Thank you for another thumbs up, guys.
Where's my wife? Where's my daughter? Yeah, where's my wife? This might be a movie. And you're supposed to have a wife playing football. And you got hit and knocked out. And you're in the now. So I have a wife. She was good. She's father. And they explained to him who he is. And slowly over the next couple of days, he realizes who the gentleman is. That's his father. And his mother are there. They recognize who they are. Moved for his father. Looks down his father. And now, and he cries, and his wife, his God, his house, his children, and he starts to get involved. And he just doesn't know what happened. And so basically, nobody knows what happened. But in his mind, maybe his subconscious mind created a whole other life that he was accomplished. Those realized that should be another version of self-confusion. And yeah, there's no so anyway, several years ago, and he's in university, goes to university, goes to his first class, sits down, in love, living, and then he married his wife. He's so happy to see her, he realizes he knows what's going on there. And she doesn't know who it is. She doesn't. The kids didn't go back to the and so he does the same thing. He's close to her. Starts up a conversation. And finds out that she's in love with her. Like she's sweetheart. And he marries her. And nothing happens. And everything together. A whole other parallel to when they met. She's a real person. What is it? Who knows? Is these different things that happen that make you reflect different ways. But I started to look at understanding that find out that's the middle thing that understand what the next day that's the news coming up. If you ever want to know what you're shoot an email or email all of them and see them talk to them and be empathetic. And that's about it. Have a great day. See you next time.
All right, you guys.
that of real estate. This is a multi-unit complex. Studio, one bedroom to two bedroom units with a wonderful little pool. This would be a perfect place for you to come. Say, where do you want to live? You want to be a house rent. Let's go look at these studios and let's show you what they have.
Thank you guys for the thumbs up. It's really welcome so much, guys. Another thumbs up. Thank you guys for another thumbs up. Welcome to my live, guys. So I have nothing to do, so that's why I'm live today. Yeah, so because I'm walking, so I'm gonna try to do live videos. So guys, you can see me every day doing my work. We can do chit chat also, guys. For those who are not busy, not doing anything, you can ask, guys.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the parts. A lot of you guys been asking me, like, can you watch this work? It's you did it the academic day. After around the top of that, and now, this is a lot of times, this a lot of guys, so let's just push it to that's pretty fun. I am a retired.
When do you do the finish? It's probably in maybe next week if my friends come to visit me, so we're gonna swim. You can see us doing our bikini shoot. Have you been here in Philippines? PSG?
So, obviously, that let's say that you did not solve which is time to start.
No, only to Pattaya time. Oh, I see. We should also visit Philippines so that we can see how nice the Philippines. It's a lot of island here, like beaches, a lot of tourist spots that you can visit here. Most of, especially Boracay. You heard about Boracay.
Then question. You have a child. Did you really marry her? Or her? Or did you want it to real estate? Because this is not an example where you do have something. Koreans do it, Chinese do it, the Nigerians do it in the Philippines.
Sounds good. but I only like to drink and play. There's some of the places here that you can also do bar hopping, like in Angeles, Pampanga. It's a lot of bar. There's also walking street here in Angeles, known as a walking street. It's like Pattaya walking street, but you know, Pattaya is kind of elegant. It's really nice compared to walking street here in Pampanga. You should you probably like to do bar hopping as well.
So, say she you know, but they do all and always makes things so
I try but not so good. What do you mean you try? Try bar hopping? Only in Thailand, not even in the Philippines. I never tried bar hopping. I never tried bar hopping. Because if we go to the bar, it's only just one bar left. Then that's it. Yeah, that's if you go to the bar, you just like stay. That's it. You're not doing it in the bar. But a lot of people also doing that. Like they just drink one beer in this place and you're just gonna transfer another. If they want to explore, they want to see a lot of hot chicks. Yeah, we did that bad got to drugs. So when you do, you probably drink and you get drunk, then you couldn't do bar hopping. Doing so fast. Why? How many beer are you doing? That make you drunk.
outside the office. She was a legal aid, and she paid 46,200, and she signed for my AG registration.
3 an hour, okay, over 4 and in hour you can finish 3 bottle. You really drink fast. That's why you get drunk easily. You know, when you drink, the technique is when you drink, you should eat something so that you don't get drunk easily. Went to some bars and drank to quit to get out. So how can you enjoy if you drink fast and get drunk easily? Then that's it. You need to go home. You drink bourbon, lady drinks. I don't know about that drinks. Some of the drinks that I don't know. I only know like margarita, mojito, and beer. That's it. Wine. I don't know about the other drink because I only try every time if we go to the bar. Most of the time I drink mojito, margarita, and beer. It's only three kinds. I always drink. But most of the time it's margarita. I like margarita. Yeah, that's the good thing. Like every time if we go to Angeles in walking street in Angeles, yeah, it's a lot of bar there. We're just gonna sit and just hang out. Be busy. It's better. I drink beer and Smirnoff. Smirnoff. I think that's the name. Smirnoff. Margaritas. I like margaritas. With sometime we order fish and chip. That's my partner. It's like what? What the heck? That's we eat fish and chip with margaritas. Good pool people. What do you mean good pool people? Like in the swimming pool? Or with the swimming pool? I might have marga soon. Wow. Yeah, it's margarita is nice. I like margarita. But I don't drink tequila. I don't drink tequila and other hard drink I don't. I don't like this beer. It's like I do get drunk but not really drunk that you don't know what you're doing. Ah, I see. Tequila rose is nice. I never tried it. Any tequila I never tried. Because that's the hard I think. Tequila right is hard. I don't know if I can handle. The smell. Oh really very smooth. Maybe I should try next time. But what if I will try I get drunk easily? I only know margarita, mojito. Yeah, you're right. Okay, maybe. Let's see, I will try. If we're going to Bohol, it's coming 15. You can enjoy a lot and I'm probably gonna try that. See, you see tequila was okay. It's like a challenge. You like 43 liquor, the best but hard to get. Oh really? So it's mean you probably drink a lot. But you don't like beer. You only drink hard hard liquor. I don't drink all the time because yeah, me too. I don't drink all the time. Sometimes only if there's occasion or let's say if I eat if I eat a lot, like I feel like I want to drink, but just wine here at home. Because my partner, he doesn't really like that much. He only drink beer like one bottle or two. That's it. He didn't really drink binge drinker every now and then when I do. Oh, it's like when you drink, you really enjoy. It's nice to drink, I like to drink when I have a company, like I have friends, so that because when I drink, I like to sing, I like to dance. that's that's when I do. But if I really don't have friends or I don't have company, so we just like sit and talk. So I only drink a little bit. But if I have with friends with me, like, or I have sister with me, so we're gonna enjoy, we're gonna drink, we're gonna dance and sing. I can't sing. Do you know Filipino like to sing and dance? Most of the Filipino, even though our voice is not that good, but we still like to sing and dance. That's our talent, especially when you're drunk. Like whole family, let's see my father gonna drink with my cousin or uncle. So they all gonna drink and after they gonna dance and sing. They're gonna sing their own and they're gonna dance their own steps. Me, I can sing and I can dance, but I'm not really my voice is not that good, but I can sing. It's not that bad also. It's good to drink if you have fun. Yeah, because Filipino like to dance and sing. If my friends is coming Friday next week, so we probably gonna hang out or we're gonna do swimming pool.
So I am a motorcycle with no mower. Obviously, illustrate me. I can keep the bicycle running,
I'm not much of dancer either. Even though, so if you're drunk, let's say you drink and you're drunk, so you just be quiet, go home and sleep, or you just watch some people dancing.
she destroyed my clothes, my mattress. She damaged the
Watch, I see.
child support. I was working really hard.
Me, I can dance and I can sing.
And then in 2018,
But I can dance and while drinking.
she said, just send it down.
You should visit Philippines so that you can also see how the Philippines nice. If you like to drink, I think Pampanga is nice place to visit. Even here in Manila, it's a lot of in Makati also. to your partner, so I gotta stick with Pattaya. Well, you can find a lot of Filipina, a lot of single Filipina here in the Philippines that are waiting for you. You don't need you don't need to look. You just go to the bar and sit. They will come to you. That's so good. Hello, Richards. How are you? Welcome to my life. Hello from New York. And welcome to my life, Richards. That's it. I have a lot of friends who go to Pattaya. Oh yeah. So you always go to Pattaya and or you live in Pattaya. I would like to visit Pattaya. I'm so excited that we are going next year. We're probably gonna stay there for 1 month. Because 1 week is not enough. Thank you, first time watching. Thank you so much, Richard. And welcome to my life. I live in Australia, just holiday in Pattaya. So right now you are in Pattaya for vacation. How about you, Richard? So I think right now it's already 2:20 a.m. in New York. Still awake? I thought you was tired, so I watching. So you thought I'm a Thai woman? No home. 7 Phoenix Street. Nice. Oh, 7 Phoenix Street. Wow. You really like Pattaya? Yes, just home from work. Oh, so your work is night shift. Yeah, Pattaya is good. That's why I'm excited to go in Pattaya. I like to drink and sit, just watching people passing by, people dancing, enjoying night shift. Oh, I see. Because time in New York and Philippines it's just opposite. Right now it's 2:21 p.m. here in the Philippines. Yeah. I like to try also billiard, but I don't know how to play. I just know how to pointing, but I don't know how to play billiard. But I like to try and learn how to play that. 4:21 p.m. here. Oh, I see. So it's just late here in Philippines, 2 hours ahead from Australia. Yes, AM here. Yeah, it is. Billiard's too hard. Yeah, I know. I like to play billiards, but it is hard. But it's like I like to try and learn. I travel Philippines. How many times you've been traveling here in the Philippines with child? Was just there for 4 months. You mean 4 months ago, or you was there for 4 months? You stay here for 4 months. Richard was seen 5 times in 3 years. I was there 4 months. It was a long trip. 5 times in 2 years. Wow. Did you like Philippines? Jensan. Yeah, Jensan is a nice place. From my place in Surigao, because I'm from Surigao, it's 12 hours to go to Jensan. From Surigao. So yeah, it is a long trip for you. 4 months. So it means you enjoy and you like that. I mean, you like in Jensen. Love it there. Nicest people I've ever met. Yeah, Filipino are friendly. And the good thing is, yeah, we don't really speak that much English, but at least we can explain. We understand. That's why it's easy to communicate if you ask them something. And yeah, they are also friendly. Filipino are friendly. So did you try karaoke? I guess because Bisaya people want to do love like karaoke, singing and dancing. Got my Philippines driver's license last trip. Bought a motorbike. Oh really? You got the driver license? So I guess you have a Filipina girlfriend here. Of course I did karaoke. That's mandatory. Yeah, it is nice. It's nice to do karaoke. Especially we love to do karaoke and dancing. My family, my family like to do karaoke. Have you ever tried to do fiesta? Fiesta in the province is very nice. It's enjoyment. It's every year it's happen. Every places and mostly I mean here in the Philippines, but I like the fiesta in the province compared in Manila. Also did the mandatory video. So you probably drink Red Horse every day. I do drink Red Horse, but not that much. I mostly like the San Miguel with flavor, like apple or lemon flavor San Miguel. Red Horse is kind of a strong beer. That's the stronger beer here in the Philippines, Red Horse. If you like strong beer, Red Horse is good for you. But it is bitter. It is bitter drink. It's gonna make you drunk easily. Well, not every day, but almost I like San Miguel. Nice. Red Horse is cheaper than San Mig, but it's hard than San Mig also. Most of the Filipino they like Red Horse because it's cheaper than San Mig Light and stronger than San Mig Light. But they have another drink that most of the Filipino drink. It's called um, what is that drink? Emperador. It's a liquor, hard liquor. It's not a beer. It's called Emperador. That's the cheapest one that most of the Filipino drink. I love the shumai. I know I didn't spell right. Yes, Pondador, that's grande, I think. We have also Pondador, but Pondador is not cheap, I think. It's not cheap. Mostly Filipino drink the Emperador. It's cheaper, and it's like 1 liter can drink 5 people. So that's why it's cheap. It's only, I think if I'm right, not even 100 peso for one bottle. Not even 100 peso. Yeah. Fondador, we probably not gonna buy the Fondador. Mostly Emperador. Yeah, it is shumai. It is shumai. It's it's like a dumpling, right? And there's a chicken flavor for that. There's a beef flavor and there's also seafood flavor shumai. I also like shumai dipped into a soy sauce with calamansi. Tanduay. Yeah, tanduay. Tanduay is also cheap price. That's the old uh, liquor drink here in the province. Most of the Filipino drink that. My father drink tanduay. There's another one that is more cheaper than tanduay. It's called gin. Gin. Most of them they will drink that and mix with some of juice flavor. So that's a cheaper one. I think it's only 20 plus something one bottle. See how cheap is that? The lentil soup, my favorite. Lentil. I never heard lentil. What kind of soup is that? That that's probably not a Filipino food, or maybe. Oh yes, gin and grape juice. The girls drink that. Yeah, most of the girls drink that because when you mix with the flavors, you're never gonna taste the gin, and that's the cheapest one. Especially when you mix grapes or lemon or some of the flavors, you just mix everything. That's like a lady's drink. It's called something else there. It's green. green. Lentil soup green. Um, I never hear that. Here it's called dentals. What is that? Is meat soup or fish? Lentils. I never heard lentils. Probably is Japanese soup or Korean green soup. Let me think. It's not Paris. I don't remember if they have green soup here. Maybe it's different kind of food. Let me check if I can check. Lentils. See lentils. Lentil soup. It's different here. This is Indian dish. It's lentil, Indian dish. It's not a Filipino dish. I can't remember the name. I also had good meat first time. Ah, so it's lentil. It's not a Filipino food. It's like this. I don't know if you can see. It's like that. It's like that. Filipino dish. Oh. I didn't hear that. Not like this. Oh yeah, you see this is green soup. No, I don't know about that. Yeah, goat meat also is. I like goat meat. It's not coming here.
ये आपको गरम मसाला है ये भी डाल सकते हैं। ये कर दीजिए। गरम मसाला की बात होती है ना।
Did you try the tinola, chicken tinola? It came back in a few months, can wait. Yeah. So you probably coming back here December. What kind of other Filipino food that you like and you try that you like? Tasty. I only eat meat and some brownies made with special butter. You never ate fish? Tasty. Richard the City. I had chicken prepared in many ways, like chicken tinola or chicken adobo. Lentil, not so much. Lentils. Lentils, I don't know about lentils though. I tried to search in Google, it didn't come out. When I search lentil, it's like an Indian dish. It's only come out. Not a Filipino. Yeah, Pishuki, if not farm. What do you mean farm? You know, I eat a lot of fish because my father is a fisherman. So when I was living in the province, I grew up in the province. So we eat fish. I mean, I used to handle now that I'm not eating rice every day. But when I'm hungry, I eat with rice. Because if I'm really hungry and I'm just gonna eat bread, even if how many sliced bread I'm gonna eat, I'm still gonna look rice. I'm still gonna look and need rice to make satisfied my meal. But yeah, you're surprised. We Filipino we eat a lot of rice 3 times a day. Imagine 3 times a day. But our body is still small. We can eat a lot, and you never think that where all the food came and go because we can eat a lot of rice, but we can still even if we already finish eating, we still can eat. Halo halo, yes, halo halo is one of my favorite desserts. Halo halo from Mang Inasal and Chowking. I like especially when it has the ice cream on the top. So you like halo halo too, Richard? You speak good English? Not really. Sometimes my pronounce is not that good. But thank you so much. D is G. You don't eat much fast food, junk foods. Oh, I see. I do. It's refreshing when it's hot. Oh yeah, it is. It's nice. I like to eat. I eat a lot ice cream also, especially because I like avocado flavor. Like it has the topping avocado flavor. Did you guys try the kinilaw? It's a raw fish cooked by vinegar. It has onion and red pepper on that. It has calamansi, lemon. We call it kinilaw here in the Philippines. It's a raw fish cooked by vinegar. Every time I go to the province, I always eat kinilaw, raw fish cooked by vinegar, and we also the cook grilled fish. Every time I go to the province, we go to the ocean with my family, like a picnic, and my father catch fish and get seaweed in the ocean, and we cook in the ocean. I think I had that. It was tuna. Yeah, tuna. Tuna is also. I like tuna kinilaw. Most of the time, we make kinilaw, tuna, and the other one, bangus. Bangus, it's a milk fish. And there's another one. Because, tuna, it's a lot of kind of tuna. They have tangigi tuna, they have yellowfin tuna. It's mungo, the soup. Oh, I see. Yeah, I like that too. It's a mungo, yeah. We call it mungo in Tagalog, yeah. That's why when I searched that, the the picture it came, it's a mongo, and it's not mongo. That's why I couldn't find it in the Google. This is the one. Sometime I cook that. I fry with onion. Mostly we cook that with coconut milk. This is the one. This is the one. This is the mongo. It's a beans, and then we put also like it's like a spinach, but it's not spinach. We call it kangkong, the vegetable. We mix with vegetable. Hello, Allen. Welcome to my life. Yeah, this is the one. That's why when I search green soup, it's not coming through because the name is different. Sometimes I cook this. We also mix it with meat like pork meat. So you had that. You like it? Hello, Allen. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm live from Philippines, Manila, Philippines. But I'm from Surigao. It's in Mindanao. I'm gonna try to do live every day. Since I'm stopped working for a while, new to YouTube. Richard, I have YouTube for, I think it's been 5 years, 6 years now. It's just I don't do live every day sometime, and I don't do also vlog every day because I was working, but I will try to do live since I'm stopped working last month. Sorry, lentils are legumes like chickpeas. Yeah, it's like chickpeas, but chickpeas is color white or color cream. Our our lentils is color green in the Philippines. It's color green. You look hot and gorgeous. Thank you so much, Allen. Where are you from, Allen? Welcome to my live. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. And for those new to my channels, please do subscribe so that every time if I will do live, you always notified. Right now it's 2:49 p.m. and I will show you the view from our balcony. So that's the view, guys, from our balcony. And that's the Manila Bay right there. That's the yacht club actually. This is the yacht club, and this one is it's a navy. This one. That's right there. If you, I don't know you guys if you can see. Right there, it's a man-made resort. It's gonna be a resort right there, like casino and hotels. That was the ocean there. They put the sun because they are going to make resorts, man-made resorts. I'm from UK. Did you have you ever visit here in the Philippines, Alin? What's a beautiful weather? It's nice weather, guys. It's nice to walk right there. We always walk right there in Manila Bay. Yesterday we went there. That area, it's called Harbor Square. We probably gonna go there later. And it's not traffic today. It's very calm. No, I never visit. Also, you never went here. You should visit. So, are you single or you have what do you mean it? Have you ever have Filipino friends? I only visit Japan and China once. Oh, I see. You should try to visit in the Philippines so that you can explore and learn a lot of things. If you like beach, you should visit like Boracay or Palawan and El Nido, some of the beach here in the Philippines. We are just close to the hospital. That's the hospital, this one. And over there, that's the Makati. Let's go on the date. Why, you are single? I have friends if you want. When I was working, I have a lot of worksmate. So I'm gonna get ready because we are going to Mall of Asia. It's a nice place there, guys. I will show you later. I probably gonna do live also, and I'm gonna do my vlog when we go to Mall of Asia. I got no friends from Philippines. How the hell will I visit? I will visit world to me traveling alone. Yeah, you should find friends so that you can visit here in the Philippines. It's a lot of Filipino looking for friends, especially on dating site or they have also Facebook page. You should try. ASAP, I don't need your friends and it I have friends also. She's living in UK and also in London. How you find my YouTube channel, Allen? How about you, Richard? How you find my YouTube channel? I mean, what did you search and come up my YouTube channel? I just wondering how you guys found my channel. Which part of UK? I just can't remember which part of UK. They're like in the countryside. I was scrolling shorts and I found your live chat. Ah, I see. Thank you so much for watching. I usually also post a YouTube short video. With my very soon. Same here. Oh, so you just scrolling also. You look tall. Alin, I'm 5'2". My height is 5'2". Like reasonable height here in the Philippines. 5'2". I was scrolling Pattaya YouTube channel. I don't have Pattaya videos yet, but I have walking street video. Walking street here in the Philippines. So probably that's why it's connected to Pattaya. I don't think so. You're 5'4", you're tall. No, I'm 5'2". Yeah, I looked just before. Oh, I see. I'm only 5'2". Look, my height. I'm only 5'2". I'm not 5'4". Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. I got another thumbs up. I have Facebook feeds. If you click my YouTube channel, I have the link connected to my YouTube channel. I have TikTok and Facebook. Do you know TikTok? Let's see if I can see. You can just click. Oh yeah, my Instagram also is there. You just click the Instagram. It's connected to my YouTube. Do Filipinos do line up too? What do you mean line up? He is G. TikTok is useless, just Chinese things. No, you know TikTok, you can find a lot of Filipina in TikTok. If you're looking for friends in TikTok, it's a lot. You should try. I have my TikTok. I have my TikTok You can click, guys. If you click my name, my YouTube name, there's a link there. I have my right there. I have my Facebook, TikTok. You can just, it's an app like Discord. Discord, I don't have Discord. Yeah, probably the TikTok is like you can see people are dancing, singing, or most of the time is dancing. TikTok. Facebook is a hack group. Yeah, it's a lot of people also is coming Facebook. You need to be careful to click, to click the link. I had tried someone hack because my son use my Facebook and someone sent link to him and he just clicked on it, and when he clicked, he got my YouTube, he got my Facebook, everything is connected to that account. He hacked it. So what I do is I need to ask help from YouTube, and they are the one who get my YouTube back. Line is good. Line is like WhatsApp, right? Line is like a WhatsApp. Filipino girl don't use Instagram. Yeah, not all. Filipinos they use like most of the time is Facebook. Facebook and TikTok. Yeah, most of the Filipino use Facebook. You can see them. I think so, yeah. Line is like WhatsApp to contact. If business, but it's a lot of doing things around, yeah. Richard, the city, I thought you were really sleepy. You're still awake. You're married? No, I'm not married. We are living for more than 8 years, actually. I'm engaged but not married. You can text and video call live online. Yeah. Yeah, line. You can text and do video call. But I never use line. It's just long time ago. Probably say 9 years ago. Free. Yeah, it is free. We can no. Actually, we need Wi-Fi on that. You cannot use without Wi-Fi. Yeah, just need data, yeah. Because without data, you cannot use line. Same thing WhatsApp also, or some other apps. My son is probably coming very soon from school. Okay, let me just get ready, guys. Excuse me for a while. I'm just getting ready, guys, because we're gonna go out. Nice gun. What do you mean gun? Guns. I saw an Indian behind you. I'm even giving you an inside. Yeah, that's my boyfriend. Can mean a few things, but not in the this. Not in the receipts. What do you mean receipts? I don't understand. Yeah, he's Indian, but he's living from USA. He lives in USA, but he live here now in Philippines. He's a he's a US citizen and he's also British citizen. Can you muscle? Why? My arm is one. I'm not that strong now. Before I was. That's what you mean. Nice guns. I see. Now I understand. You mean my arm, my muscle. I I I learned a lot of things today. Hi everyone. I have 7 people watching. The bad thing about this. Hello Ken, Balina. Hola, kumusta? I need to charge my phone. Nice chair driver. Yeah, it's my one of my favorite brand. It's driver. To charge my phone, guys. It's no fun. Looks cool, yeah. Okay. It's nice. Most of the time I wear t-shirt. That's my outfit for today. Since we are going out, we're gonna move around our daily routine, walking our neighborhood, especially right here in Manila Bay. I just stumbled upon your live stream, just no one wanted to say hello. Thank you so much, Kin. Where are you? I'm here. What city? I'm live from Manila, but I'm from Surigao, from Mindanao. Single or BF or hot? BF. Let me tight my hair. I like to tight my hair. Never go ahead. Wow, I live in Mindanao. Have you came here in the Philippines, Ken? Have you visited here in the Philippines? Sorry guys for the noise. It's kind of noisy right now because it has the construction here next to our building and they are doing it every day. So that's why it's kind of noisy right now. I like to tight my hair. It's been bothering me. I tight ko. Yep, done. So you have beef. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do have beef. Where are you from, Ken? Have you been visit here in the Philippines already? He's with you there in Manila, yeah. We live for more than 8 years now. Pinoy born in US, not fluent but kasabot ko. Oh, I see. So it means you are Bisaya or probably Probably your mother's Bisaya. Hello nature, how are you? Welcome to my live. It's been a while I didn't do live. It's because I was working, guys. Now, because I stopped working, so I'm gonna start my live. I'm gonna try to do live every day. Mom from Liti. Oh, yeah, it is. She's Bisaya. Bisaya or Waray. So, you learn Bisaya language. Cousin, Indicos, and Cebu. Mm. So you came here already. How many times you came here in visit in the Philippines? You try the Christmas. Celebrate Christmas in the Philippines. Have you ever tried here? Huh? I had uyab in Cebu, so I learned a lot. Ah, I see. So you mean you wake up already if you had? Few times lang, hindi. Oh, I see. Christmas season when we celebrate Christmas is big different from US. Way back. Way back, it's mean talking behind your back. Yeah, libak. Salamat. I heard Christmas is the best din ha. Yes, it is. Christmas in the Philippines is the best. Especially when you celebrate Christmas with your family. It has a karaoke, dancing, chit-chat, drinking. Your jowa is Bisaya today? No, he's Indian, but he's USA citizen. He live in USA, but his nationality is Indian. But he's not from India. But he live here now. Yeah, it is. He live here now in Manila. We live together more than 8 years. My son is here now. He just came. That's my son. Hi, how's your school? What is this? Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Grade. That's my son. He just came from school. He's grade 9 now.
College.
Oh, high school. So how's your school, Jed? You bought this ice cream sundae from McDonald's. How many anak? Wow, where you meet him? Well, I meet him actually personal. It's like he has friends and I have friends. They are introducing us. So that's how I meet him. Wow, tagal na. Yes, we are living for more than 8 years now. How many anak? I have anak. I have anak, but not from him. Anak is half Indian, no. He's Filipino. I only one son. Yes. We are not planning to have another anak because we cannot go vacation. We cannot enjoy. Nice day have for you. Thank you so much. Kin, are you woman or man? I'm just curious. Your name is man. Hello, Don Gambals. Hi, welcome to my live. looks like it's gonna win again. Every afternoon look like it's gonna win. Oo, kinababi. Ah, I see. Now I understand. You could do better. What do you mean? You could do better. Like what? TSG. I'm cleaning my face, you know. Enjoy your ice cream.
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday. Enjoy
Lagi
your Sunday.
friends.
Okay.
Ano bibig ko?
To make yoga drink. Do you have assignment? So you need to do that then. Hope is not gonna win, you know, so that we can go out and walk. I think guys, I'm gonna end this live. I'm gonna try to do live tomorrow again. I'm not sure what time, but yeah, I'm gonna do live tomorrow. I hope I can see you tomorrow, guys. You can visit my live again. So yeah, for those who are new to my channels, guys, thank you so much for watching and for subscribe, and thank you so much for the thumbs up. Bye guys, I'm gonna end this live now and see you tomorrow. See, bye. So, thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. And bye everyone. I think I'm gonna make it 240. Bye, Ken. See you next time. See you next live. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Good night.